back to my channel. My name's Amber. This is Fabricating Fringe. Today I'm trying this beautiful style that I'm quite surprised I have yet to try until now. This is from Raquel Welch, and this is a very popular style. This is called Scene Stealer. I have wanted to try Scene Stealer for quite some time, and it's a first, you know, better late than never. This beautiful color is another color I have never shared or done a review on, but I know it's a very popular one. It's Shaded Biscuit. The code for that is RL1923SS. I always hear that everybody loves Shaded Biscuit, so I'm excited to finally try Scene Stealer in Shaded Biscuit. So Shaded Biscuit has dark roots. I love the dark root. And then you have a light ash blonde, evenly blended with a cool platinum blonde. Isn't this shade beautiful? If you like ashy, if you like cool platinum, and then that dark root, you will love this color. I can see why a lot of people love Shaded Biscuit. For the most part, Scene Stealer is mostly straight and sleek, but it's layered, and then you have these slight curve to the ends. And the thing is, whether you like it smooth and straight, or if you like those barrel curls, you can change it up, because this fiber is the Raquel Welch True to Life Heat Friendly Fiber. It looks and feels like natural human hair, and I love these fibers because straight out of the box they look divine, but you can use your heat tools and go change up the fiber to fit your needs. Whatever style you want to use with your heat tools, you can go switch it up. Just stick between 270 degrees to 300 degrees Fahrenheit. This beautiful Scene Stealer features the sheer indulgence lace front and a monofilament top. Let me give you a closer look of that lace front. And then of course, because of that mono top, you can part every which way and it looks like natural hair growth. The density on Scene Stealer is medium. I think that's true. It does look natural. The layers make it very natural too, because you know it cascades down with those layers and feels nice and light. The cap size on this Scene Stealer is average, and I would say this is true average in size. It feels really great, nice and snug, yet comfortable. Scene Stealer is part of the Raquel Welch Signature Collection. Let's do a full turnaround of Scene Stealer so you can see her from all angles. Love this style. Okay, let's take her off so you guys can see the underside of the cap. So you have this beautiful temple to temple lace front, that sheer indulgence lace front. It looks phenomenal. And then you have that monofilament top. Now on the back of that mono top, like around the crown area, you do have some closed wefting, and that has just a slight amount of permatease at the crown. That just gives you just some great volume right here at the crown area. I mean, look at that. It looks awesome. Now take a look at this way. I mean, those layers, the way that it flips and curls and layers, it looks so good. Here is the color close up, that beautiful Shaded Biscuit. You have that cool platinum and that ashy blonde and that dark root. Now you have your velvet ear tabs with the bendable wire. And then you have your smaller velvet nape with the adjusters at the nape. Okay, let's put her back on. The front of Scene Stealer is 9.75 inches. The crown is 15 inches. Your sides are 12.5 inches. The back is also 12.5 inches. And your nape is 15 inches. So this is definitely a long layered wig. The total weight of this Scene Stealer is 5.25 ounces. I really love this style. I love the layers. I love the density. Of course, I love the fiber. I love Raquel Welch fibers and their shades. Their shades, their colors are absolutely divine. They're so beautiful. They're so dimensional. They have so much depth. Just gorgeous. Anyway, do you guys have Scene Stealer? Have you switched up the fiber, the style of the wig using the heat-friendly fiber, let me know. I'd love to hear your experience with this wig, how it holds up, the color that you would prefer. Who loves shaded biscuit? Raise your hand, give me a thumbs up, let me know. Comment below, you know the drill. You guys can find Scene Stealer at many brick and mortar and online locations. I'll have a store locator down below. You'll have to go follow Raquel Welch on their social media platforms. They have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook. Go check that out. Anyway, you guys, give me your thoughts. Again, thank you for watching. I appreciate you guys stopping by. And until next time, I'll see you later. Bye.